I'm Imri, one of the forestry apprentices for Redwood Rising. Just out here doing data collection for the stem mapping. Kind of in short, why I'm out here doing forest technician work is I want to eventually become a forester. Any kind of land management over a landscape scale. Yeah, just love being outdoors, and this is kind of the boots on the ground work, really kind of fine detail data acquisition for the decision making that goes a little further down the road. Well, my dad tried to pursue forestry, and he had kind of a restorative mindset, and he was going to school in the 60s, but he dropped out because he was kind of disillusioned with the essentially the baseline, the profit-making scheme of a lot of the timber industry, and I guess I wanted to kind of pick up where he left off, and work towards pursuing kind of more rehabilitative forestry. So I think I've found at least a good starting point for that kind of niche.